In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently manage user settings in Salesforce, specifically focusing on updating user details for new employees in your company. We'll go step by step through the Salesforce interface to get your users set up quickly and accurately. First, head over to your Salesforce homepage. Once you're on the homepage, locate that Quick Settings icon, which should be visibly accessible on your screen. Clicking this icon is your gateway to accessing more in-depth options for modifying user settings. After you're in Quick Settings, your next step is to open Advanced Setup. This is where you'll be able to get into the nitty-gritty of user management. Once that menu is open, you will want to type in Users in the search bar. This action narrows down the available options specifically to what you need, helping you save time navigating through irrelevant menus. Click on Users to view the list of current users. Now, focus your attention on this list to find the specific user or users you need to update. If you're setting this up for a new employee, you'll select the contact that corresponds to their name from the list. At this point, with the correct user located, your next step involves clicking the arrow down settings button. You'll see this next to the user's name. A drop-down menu will appear, and from this menu, select Edit User. This option will allow you to update vital user information. Now you're on the Edit page. Here, you must ensure that the Active checkbox is ticked. This action is crucial to ensure that the user account is live and usable by the new employee. Don't overlook this step, as an unchecked box could result in a lot of confusion later on. Next, you'll focus on the User License field. You want to ensure that the license category is set to Salesforce. This ensures that the user has the appropriate permissions and access needed to perform their tasks effectively. If it isn't already selected, use the drop-down menu to select Salesforce. Once all these modifications are reviewed and confirmed, it's time to save your changes. Look for the Save button and click it to lock in all the adjustments you've made. By doing this, you're ensuring that everything is set up correctly and efficiently for the new user, ready for them to start their journey with all the right tools in place. And there you have it. With these steps, you can efficiently manage and update user settings in Salesforce, streamlining the setup process for new employees. Stay tuned for more tutorials and helpful guides that make your time on Salesforce even smoother. Thank you for watching, and happy managing!